Great to see you guys once again. My name is Mayuresh. I am the co-founder at GreyAtom and I look after the admissions and counseling over here. As a part of this web series, I handle a lot of questions from all you aspirants to help you pivot your careers from your current streams into data sciences. Thank you so much for sending all these questions my way. We have a very interesting question today, and this question is again from what we have previously been articulating very strongly, and we typically say we should always blog. So the question is, as a data scientist, why should you blog? As a data scientist, why should you blog? What is the importance of blogging? So it is extremely important, and let me give you 5 very good reasons why you should be blogging as a data scientist. Number 1, if you really say that you understand a particular algorithm or a technique or a class of techniques, and when you try to articulate it and try and help someone understand, you will know within the first 5 minutes whether you really know it or you don't know it. The whole act of storytelling will basically force you to think very deeply and help you reinforce the concept. So it is just a very good validation whether you really know it or you don't know it. Secondly, I think it really helps you portray it to people that you know it in case you are able to successfully write the blog. Number 2, it really helps you generate very valuable connections. So if you are using something like a medium.com, which is essentially an open platform where you will be able to portray the content that you have, it is an extremely potent source where people can encourage you, they can clap for you, they can like your content. In fact, different publications can pick up what you are writing and re-syndicate it on their even more popular channels. You can even get writing assignments for some of the more well-paid data science channels that are out there. That's an extremely valuable source to generate connections and to build credibility. Number 3, job recruiters, they constantly look out at these particular blogs. They check your blogs, they check your social profiles, they mine you extensively from all the angles before onboarding you into their organizations. So whether it is the hiring manager or also the HR manager, both of them would be equally interested in these kind of blogs. They are excellent conversation starters. They help you establish a voice and they help you establish a perspective of what you have on any particular topic within data sciences. Number 4, believe it or not, blogging is actually a way of reinforcing your concepts. Blogging is actually a way of learning. It will help you hone your skills, it will help you perfect your algorithms, it will add to the overall learning environment. And that's the reason why we believe and why we have integrated the very act of blogging, the very encouragement towards blogging within Commit.live. Commit.live is an in-house training platform that we have at GreyAtom, and blogging is an extremely integral part of that. Lastly, a blog is an excellent way to really understand the person behind the whole skills, the way it is being portrayed. So I think a personality really comes out. So having a blog adds a very demonstrable leverage to your profile, and it really increases your chance of landing up a role, or at least a call, or at least a interview walk-in for a particular role if you have this particular blog. So this is what I believe are the 5 very critical reasons for landing for actually starting to blog very actively. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope I have answered why you should be blogging as an aspiring data scientist, and I hope you take this advice to heart and start blogging. All the best.